Hello and thank you for watching the Kempler design vlog. If you have Sonnet shades, or actually it's available in 5 different products now from Hunter Douglas, you may have the SoftTouch motorization. Let's see how it works. So basically what you do is you have your shade, in this case it's a Sonnet, and what we're going to do is look at the SoftTouch controls. So you have this wand and you can see it runs down here and it ends. Very simple to use. Watch carefully and you can see this is the top of it. If I want the shade to go up, I'm going to push up on this wand right here. So just push up and you'll notice the shade starts to go up. Little tap, pull down and it will stop. If I want it to go the opposite direction, I just pull down. You'll notice that it always goes back to its original location. So it's super simple. And if you want something that is motorized, but you don't want it to be too complicated, you might want to take a look at the SoftTouch motorization. And in this case, it's on the Sonnet from Hunter Douglas. Thanks for watching the Kempler Design Vlog.